Back in the room, we had Chick-fil-A for lunch. Jack and JC went to mini golf for the first time.
No, it's not the first time, it's my second time.
When did you go to mini golf the first time?
Well, I went with Apple, and also she took me to on that day, Disneyland on that day, and then this is my YouTube channel anyways.
I had to go back to the room to grab my sweater because we are going on a family bike ride and it was a little chilly out. We are getting one of those, I don't know what they even call them, but it's not a tandem, it's, well, I'll show you. It's one of those things. What do you even call these? Okay. How does this work? Oh, you only, okay, I see. Oh, mine's just a fake steering wheel. Funny. Feels weird being fake. Are we gonna fit? Uh-oh. Dad's gonna steer us. We fit. Good job, Dad. This is much harder than it looks. Well, not for Jack. He's cruising. I need a little break. Why are your fingers so sleepy? That's so funny because we were doing all the pedaling. But we came over here. Oh yeah, that's true. We're gonna take a little park break, right? Oyster break. Alright, Daddy's gonna park. Can you pedal backwards? Oh, really? Now we're at the Patagonia store, and Jack found this cute little section with Tegu. Michelle, she's the owner, and we've known each other for what, 12, 13 years?
I think so.
Maybe longer?
A while, which dates us.
Which, you know what's so crazy is I saw somebody on Friday night who remembers me from Rapid Shot TV.
Yeah.
From Sis TV.
Yeah.
Back in the day. And look, this is her shop, you guys. Passport Habits, you guys have to come and check it out in Ventura. Jack got his first hacky sack as a gift from Michelle. Hey, excuse me, sir.
And it's why you did that.
It is not. It is not. We brought the drone down to the beach, but I'm too lazy to bring it out. It's just so nice out here, but it just seems like such a production. So we're just gonna walk down the beach to dinner. It's been such a beautiful day. drove over, and Nicole's here.
June King here.
I mean, amazing. Sorry, not Nicole. But look at this place. It's so fun. And this is my first time being around for the dance party on Saturday night, and it's super fun. I love all this. Love it. Okay, so false alarm. The camera's not working. I can't get my aura red, but look at this one. It's amazing. What? That's mind-blowing. And what did she say about it?
She said, this is my creativity. My creative spurt is magenta. This blue is what I'm giving to the world, which is positivity and leadership and calm. And the green is the future, and the green is also calmness and positivity. And the more color, the better.
That's beyond! That is so good! Good morning, it's Sunday. JC and I woke up about 7:30, so it was good to sleep in because I stayed up a little too late changing my whole talk. I don't know why I did that. You know, I stayed up till like 12:30 changing my talk, and it was probably fine the way it was, but now we are, I am going downstairs to eat breakfast, meet Mommy and Apo, and I see Nicole there. They're laughing at me for vlogging probably. And then JC's going on a run. I'm gonna go back, and since I took a shower last night, I'll just go back and comb my hair, put makeup on, and then we're gonna do this amazing last day of Craftcation.
Last day, Sunday.
I know, it's so exciting. You look so fresh. How is that possible? I know, that's amazing. You gotta tell us your secret.
I don't know.
Work hard, play hard.
Water.
Water and water. Good morning. It's your YouTube channel. How'd you sleep? Excuse me. What are you eating?
100 sausages.
Oh my goodness, that's too many. If you guys haven't read the book, 100 Sausages, it's a kid's book, it's really funny. I've got an egg white omelet. I already ate a bunch of bacon and hash browns. And I also got a waffle.
YouTube video.
I think it's a lot of breakfast. And Jack's gonna take over my channel apparently.
No, it is. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. It's really my YouTube channel.
10 a.m. We're about to let people in. Look, it's all set up. This is gonna be amazing. The room looks so good. And I'm nervous but excited. And I don't have to talk for the whole hour and a half. I only have 30 minutes, so I think I'm good.
Get this party started.
Woo! Yay! Hey, how are you?
I like your jacket. You feel like give me some extra body. Oh yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed! Thank you so much. I love it. You guys. Look how cute.
And Teresa's not like that. They want to know everything about you and how they can serve you better. They also...
Okay, so this is Becky's bag. Okay, what's it gonna be called? This is Becky, she's amazing.
This is the bubblegum eat a bag. So you can have all of your pins and they don't fall out.
All right, and when's it gonna launch?
It's gonna launch in about 3 months. So
Okay.
Summer.
All right, and where can people find it?
At thepinksamurai.com.
Thank you, so excited. I'm grabbing one of those for sure.
We got the last copies.
Awesome! So I think the talk went okay. Did the talk go okay?
It was amazing. Wonderful.
Thank you!
All right, Amy's talk was amazing, and I really resonated with the part where someone told her that she was way too happy. Someone has told that to me too, and it's a little hurtful at first, but you know what? Never let anybody take your joy, ever. Very exciting.
So we are sold out of books, but she just ordered one.
Yes.
And I'm gonna sign it and send it to her.
Yes, how awesome is that? I'm very excited. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I love that you were front and center, taking in the whole thing. She's so cute. Your smile just like brightens up a room.
I really enjoyed your message too, by the way. Thanks a lot for sharing.
Thank you. This is what she's getting.
Hey, can I give this to you?
Of course. Thank you so much. How adorable. You don't have to do that. That's so sweet.
I enjoy what you do, and I just want to share with you what I do.
I love it. Thank you. So cute. I'll link you below.
Hi, I am Hannah, and I'm from Czech Republic.
You came all the way from the Czech Republic to Craftcation?
I went for Craftcation all over the globe.
Oh my gosh, that's incredible.
And I don't regret at all.
Oh, that's wonderful. Love it. So if she can fly in from the Czech Republic, what is your excuse? Seriously. That is amazing. Is that the furthest somebody has flown?
We have an attendee that's from Saba, which is a tiny little island. I don't know exactly where it is, but it takes her a whole day to get here. It probably takes you a whole day to get here too. Yeah, it's pretty far.
That's incredible. This is Spalding, and I'm buying one of her rainbows because they're amazing. I'm buying actually the one that was over my stuff, which is coming up right here. Yes, I'm so excited. And she's gonna come up with kits, so then you can make your own. Back from that amazing Craftcation Conference. Thank you so much for following along. I thought I would go through this Make All the Things gift bag. Spread positivity confetti. There's so many good things in here, and some of them I don't know if everybody got, but I think that there were some for the presenters and some for the attendees, and maybe there's VIPs too, I'm not really sure. This is an Impress Art stamping kit. Looks like there's some ornaments in here, but I love this font. Look, this is just a really simple font for making some stamped metal pieces, jewelry. I went through a phase of loving this and doing it, and now I can go back to dabbling in it again. There is a big, well, this is a bottle of Day Owl Rosé. Very nice. Here's the big thing in here. Looks like an Omni-Grid Dritz sewing box. Cute. Little scissors, vintage embroidery scissors. Seam ripper, retractable tape measure. Oh, and a lot of hand sewing needles. You can always use these. That's wonderful. Uppercase magazine for the creative and curious. Paper Source gave a little card and a pen. Walnut Hollow birch ornament. Cute. And let's just dump it all out. Okay. Yum. These are so good. Justin's peanut butter cups. Oh, this must have been from... We got 2 bags because my mom was there too. Pouring medium. Paint. Washi tapes. I love these. And this one. A little coffee pin. Adobe sent 3 months of Creative Cloud free. I'm already a Creative Cloud member, so that doesn't really apply. And then a bunch of stickers. Look at these. June. Really fun things. I'm sure there's a Vistaprint thing here. Super Buzzy, which is a great store. What's this? Rub-ons? Huh, dinosaur rub-ons. Jack will love those. Spoonflower Ugly Baby. Rosalie is awesome, and she has a bunch of little postcards in here. Jack would love this. Although I don't really want him to know what that says. I mean, he's just starting his journey into reading and recognizing sight words, but that's probably not a good one for him to learn right off the bat. Jenny Hart Sublime Stitching Kit. Oh, it's an iron-on pattern. And look, it's a little scout book. Cute. Oh, Sticker You. Product samples to make stickers. And Sakura sent, oh fun, pink pens. Love their microns. Looks like there's a mailer thing here too. Oh, and another Impress Art stencil. Very nice, very cool. And as I've said before, I really want to encourage you to go to an in-person event. Craftcation is just an awesome gathering of amazing souls who have a passion for creativity, a passion for making things, sharing ideas, sharing their wisdom, and I feel so refreshed. You can't even bottle it up because I wish you could. You would be able to sell it and make a lot of money if you could. The feelings that come after the conference is just incredibly overwhelming, and I feel so motivated, inspired, and really just ready to make things and make things happen. So I encourage you, and I know that I've said this before, I love meeting you guys in in-person events. There's nothing like it. The friendships that come about, the things that get made, the ideas that get brewed, all kinds of wonderful, magical things happen. So I encourage you, I hope to see you at Craftcation 2020. I haven't been invited back yet, but Nicole, I hope you invite me back. And regardless, I'll be there. Mommy, Jack, and I will be there, even if you don't invite us, because it's such a wonderful, magical event. It's not about the stuff, it's all about the people and the people making things happen. And I encourage you to keep doing that at home, and hopefully I will see you at one of my workshops soon. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked joining on this wonderful field trip to Ventura, which is one of my favorite places to go. It's only usually an hour and a half away, sometimes less. Yesterday it took us almost 2 hours to get home, but that's okay. You should have seen the car. I didn't do any vlogging because we just needed to get on the road, because I knew that the longer we waited, the more traffic would build. But that's just, if that's the worst part of it, it's okay. It was a nice way to decompress and take in all the goodness that was shared. So thanks as always for watching. Thanks for being amazing Tangerines, and I hope you feel inspired to keep those creative juices flowing. Bye.